Hello, my name is Brad Gervais. I'm the parts manager here at Overseas Motors, and today I'll be talking about parts and accessories for your vehicles. We all love our cars, and we love to see it go all those miles without any trouble. However, at certain intervals, every vehicle needs servicing and replacement of parts and accessories. Here at Overseas Motors BMW, we want you to buy the best OE parts and accessories for your beloved vehicle. That is why when you request for a quotation on any part or accessory for your vehicle, one of our parts representatives will contact you and advise you the best options that are available for your car. Remember, your car's performance depends significantly on the quality of the parts and accessories that it's equipped with. That is why you should never compromise on it. And we here at Overseas Motors BMW want to make sure that you receive the best part or accessory for your vehicle and at the right price. Give us a call today to know more, and you can fill out the under parts e-store mentioning which part or accessory you are looking for, and the parts representative will contact you shortly. Thank you and have a great day.